this one called?
Bernstein Bear Book.
This is the Bear's Picnic. This was before Sister Bear was here. Mother Bear, put your apron away. We are going to go on a picnic today. Where are we going on our picnic, Dad? To the very best place in the world, my lad. Pop, this spot may be very fine, but look what it says on that big sign.
What does it say?
It says big picnic today, and all kinds of people started coming.
That looks like a monkey person.
Yeah, it is. It is a monkey.
A monkey.
Pigs. Nothing can bother our picnic here. Lay out the picnic things, my dear. I do not like to say so, Dad, but another good spot has just gone bad. I'll find the perfect place to eat. I'll find a spot that can't be beat. The finest spot you've ever seen. Now that is the kind of place I mean. He did it, Mother, did he not? He found the perfect picnic spot. Where was the perfect spot?
Right at home.
Right at home. Alright, y'all, it's time to make a birthday cake. Sissy wants a 3-tier flamingo cake, so tonight we're just gonna bake the cakes and put the base layer of frosting on each cake. And then they're going to go in the refrigerator until in the morning, and I'll get up and do the decorating. I'm starting a little later than I had planned. That's okay. This one's not going to be too hard, so we shouldn't have any mess-ups. I normally like to get the cake made like just about completely done the night before, like when they're decorated cakes like this, you know. That way if anything goes wrong, have plenty of time to fix it, but we'll have time even if something does go wrong with this one. But I think it's going to be pretty easy. I've got 2 boxes of Funfetti cake because that's the cake type she requested. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix both boxes together. And then we'll divide it between these pans. If I see that I'm going to have enough, I'll do this middle part. I'll do 2 layers of that too. I'm going to do 2 layers for sure on the bottom and then the middle and the top. But if I have enough, I'll do 2 layers in that middle one too. Maybe even 2 layers on the top, we'll see. We need 2 cups of water and 1 cup of vegetable oil. And 6 eggs. We're gonna use 4 chicken and 1 turkey. 1 turkey egg is pretty much the same as 2 chicken eggs. Okay, the cake layers have cooled, and I can't find my little cake stand thing, you know, that turns. How does that disappear? I don't know. I couldn't find it anywhere, so we're just going to use this plate. I do have it on this, though, so I can spin it this way. I'm going to put a little bit on the bottom, just so it doesn't slide around on the plate. This is just the base layer of frosting, you know, so it'll be a really light coating. We'll do the rest of it tomorrow. I'm still trying to decide exactly what I want to do as far as the icing colors and all that. Good morning, everybody. The birthday girl is awake. The baby brother is awake. You're not a baby anymore. What? Okay, the youngest brother is awake. Is that better? They're ready for some biscuits. Cece requested gravy biscuits for her birthday breakfast. We're going to put just a little bit of butter in here with the sausage to give us a little extra liquid to work with. And when it melts down, we'll start adding the flour. Add the flour and get it all coated. Might need a little bit more flour. Just kind of have to eyeball it. I like for the flour to just about soak up all the liquid that I have in there. Then we'll start adding the milk. Just a little bit at a time. When that milk thickens up, I add a little bit more just until we get it where we want it. And then the longer the gravy sits, the thicker it gets. So I just keep a watch on it if I need to add a little bit more milk. And we're going to put some salt and pepper. Another minute and a half on those and they'll be ready to broil. This is about where we like it right here. So I'm going to turn it all the way down to low now. Okay, y'all, I think the first thing we're going to do is color this frosting, a little bit of it pink. Add in a little bit of neon pink. I'm kind of changing my mind as I'm going here. I'm trying to decide. I made some yellow. I'm not sure if I just want to go around the bottom with the yellow.
Look, I made a dinosaur thing.
Remove lid and microwave for 30 seconds. And on this bottom, I want to put a few of these little pineapples.
Okay.
You got to be very gentle, okay?
These?
Yep, we're just going to gently place one right there.
Okay.
And you do one over there, okay?
Okay.
Can you do it very gently?
Yeah. I'll do it like this time.
Very gently. Down a little bit. Very good.
I accidentally got a little.
That's okay.
I kind of want the pizza on the bottom. I kind of want to taste more of that.
We're just going to go around the edge and barely squeeze.
Don't let it leak off.
We want it to go down and do the little drip look. Oh yeah, okay, okay. What I'm deciding to do is where I want it to do the drip, I'll just go back and put a little extra. And some of it, you know, it's just doing by itself. Yeah, okay, okay. Okay, so that's pretty good. Yeah, I mean, for the first time trying out the cake drip thing. Okay, we're gonna go around the bottom with this yellow. I put some yellow frosting in the piping bag. So we're gonna go down here, and this would be a lot better if we had our little cake stand. I'm still not sure what happened to it. Cece doesn't know either. That thing disappeared. We put a few more pineapples on there. I think on the top we're gonna do the blue like I was gonna do with this gel right here.
Right here.
All right, put in some blue.
A lot?
No, just a little bit. You already got the top off?
Yeah.
I think that's all we're gonna need of the blue.
Now the red.
And it looks like water. Now I'll figure out if I want to put some of the yellow here or here, but first we're going to put the flamingo on. I'm just going to use some white frosting to put on the back of it to make it stick. And actually, let me see, what do I want to be the front of the cake? I think we want this right here to be the front. Alright, here we go. There goes the flamingo head. That's pretty cute. I mean, that's a cute little flamingo head right there. Now the wings. Okay, so I need icing to about right there. So we'll spread that on there. Now we'll just hold that on there for a second. We'll quickly put this in the refrigerator when we finish. That way this will all have time to hold together here. Okay, we want to make sure that the wings are even. I think we got it right there. Gotta be a little careful with the cake drip, because it hardens when when it starts to dry, and I accidentally did a little crack right there in some of the cake drip, but that's okay. Should I go? Yeah, you know what I think I'll do? I'll go yellow around here, and then white here and white there. That's what we'll do. So let me go ahead and finish up this yellow part first.